I'm going to tell you how to use and access Enlist, and we will start right now.
That's just how it is. Ain't waiting on me.
What is going on? My name is Rishabh. Welcome to Librarian Explains. Today we will see step by step how to get registered, use and access the Enlist through your device from your home or anywhere, so that you can use the library resources from anywhere. So let's get started. Hello students. This is the main home page of Enlist. So before access the Enlist, we must know what is the Enlist. So what is Enlist? Enlist is a National Library and Information Services infrastructure for scholarly content. Okay, so this is kind of e-resources for college libraries in India. So here you can see what is Enlist. Enlist is a Implement Center program under the UGC for scholarly content in India. Okay, so you can access the Enlist through this, but before use actual Enlist we must have the login ID and password. Okay, so here there is a registered members login, so you have to log in here. So before actual get login, you must have your login ID and password. So from where you will get it, user ID and password. So this video is divided into two parts. First is registration process, and second is actual using of Enlist. Okay, at least you must have your Enlist user ID and password. So you can get through your library, you visit your library, or another is you have to submit this Google form. If you are watching from the Bharatiya Mahavidyalaya Amravati, so we created the Google form through which you have to fill this information, your name, your email and your class. Email should be correct. Okay, so after filling this form you have to check your email for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days you will get your ID and password. So this kind of email you will receive after filling this Google form or registration in a library. So in this email you this contain your user ID, your username as your email ID, but they will given your password. Okay, this is one time password. So this is the simple registration process you have to follow for access the Enlist. Okay, now another question is how you will get that Google form. You have to simply click BMV AMT, our college website, bmvamt.ac.in, Bharatiya Mahavidyalaya Amravati. Then this is the main home page of our college website. There is a library section. You have to click on library. Click anywhere in the about library, library stop or collection. I will click on about library. Then in this left corner there is a knowledge hub, your pocket library. So this is the another library Google side, you may say. This is the Google side of library. After clicking on this you will get this knowledge hub. Okay, so at the last there is a Enlist registration 2020. If you click on this you will get this Google form. You simply have to fill this Google form and then just submit. Okay, so this is the registration process. So here your step 1 is completed of registration. Then what will happen, you will get the email address from Enlist. So then you have to click on that email. You have to get that your email ID and password, and there is a activation in this email, so you have to activate. So now I will click on this members login. Here you have to fill your ID and password that shown in your email. Okay, so this is the main Enlist page. Now you can access. There is a e-resources at Enlist. If you have the simplified search, or you have the specific query about means you have to search specific ebook or specific e-journal, then you can click direct on this For example, I have to search book for Mahatma Gandhi ji. Then there are other filters: title, author, subject. I have to search Mahatma Gandhi ji in title, then I will simply search on this. Okay, so if you have a direct query or a simple query, you can search here, you will get the ebook. And secondly, under this e-resources there is a subscribe e-journal and ebook. Okay, so there is a full text e-journals and right hand side there are ebooks. Okay, so we can access this one by one after getting login. There is the American Institute of Physics e-journals. Under that we have 18 titles journals. Okay, this is another method for login under InFeed. You simply have to fill your same email and password under this. Sometimes this may be asked or sometimes this not be asked, but you have to give your email address and the Enlist user ID and password. Click on accept and go further. Now you can access there is a American Institute of Physics publishing. So here are the journals. We can see under this there is a conference proceeding. So just like you have access one by one, then there is the annual reviews, economic and political weekly. There is the Indian journals, 180 plus titles. For student, this is the free consortium you can use. So this is indianjournal.com. You can access through Enlist program. Here also you can give your simple search or advanced search. Whatever you may be type here. Now also there are Oxford University Press, Royal Society of Chemistry, H.W. Wilson, 300 plus titles. Similarly you can use also ebooks from here. There is Hindustan Book Agency, ebooks, 1,50,000 plus title you can access under this. Okay, I want to search here for again COVID-19 is if there is any ebooks or any article for that. Okay, so here you can see there is how India closed the world under this COVID-19. You can see there are some books, 9 books results for COVID-19. There are the filters that you can use if you want English, German books, latest 2018 publications. So also there is Sage publications, ebooks. You can access whatever you want, but you have to register yourself under this. Okay, here is simple again search. You can search whatever you want. Search political India. Okay, under this so we can access the quality content under this. There is content and there is option for download. Here you can download the book. Okay, so just like this you can access the full text journal or full text ebooks under the Enlist called National Library and Information Services Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. If you have any query, contact the library, contact your librarian about the access, about your Enlist user ID and password or any other scholarly content or e-content. So this is all for Enlist program. Thank you so much.